ngayon medyo hindi ko rin po alam kung saan papunta yung mga investigasyon, whether or not the announcements nasa PI na would actually, o kung tatawid ba talaga into a case. But as long as you know na yung mga opisyal po, natatakot or nararattle sila. That's how you know your work has impact
Yes.
I think that's what matters. Kasi even I live in Marikina, nakailang baha na rin po doon, no? Pero ngayon ko lang nakita
Wala
na,
daw ba?
actually, medyo true naman. May mga iilan, pero hindi ganun ka lala. Pero I think there's a shift now na yung mga public officials, they would actually go on the site and then they would assure na they're doing something. Some of them baka performative, but at the very least, they're showing up. And very sensitive talaga sila sa criticism. So, having that kind of culture na alam nilang nakatingin yung tao, I think malaki na po siyang achievement. But I think the challenge is to keep it going, lalo na't medyo nagdi-dwindle down na rin yung siguro yung mga rallies, 'di ba dati
Oo.
dami-dami, ngayon medyo lumiliit. But hopefully po magpatuloy yung ganong kultura na natatakot yung mga public officials or alam nilang accountable sila sa tao dahil na ramdaman nila yung galit lalo na nung at the height of it.